All right, guys, I want to show you part of what I got at Frankenson's. And look at that guy right there. That is wonderful. Let's get him. Sitting like that. Very cool.
Alright, now, let's get to the good stuff.
We got two Sun and Moon, Guardian Rising, and Guardian Rising. We got a Steam Sage and an Evolutions pack. Evolutions is my favorite. After we, of course, look at that beautiful Bewear. Oh, let me hug you.
Let's see how we do Guardians Rising. What's up with these packs being like that? That's super weird to me when it's packed that way. I don't understand it sometimes. And look at that. We got another one where the pack is on the other side.
That's weird. But, I don't know. I guess that's possible. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. Alright, alright. Glacier. Okay, okay. Not too bad. Not what I'm really looking for. Not what I'm looking for. What am I looking for? Come on. Helioptile, Vicente, and Sharpedo. Vicente's cool.
We like Vicente. Not what we're looking for, but still. Not horrible. I guess we'll save the last Guardians Rising. Steam Sage. I feel like most people don't care about Steam Sage one bit. They're not really fans. But, I don't know. There's some cool cards in here. I like
A couple specific ones, but let's see what we get. See? That's more normal when it doesn't have the code card the other way. I don't understand it when it's like that, to be honest. Alright. Lampert. Captivating Pokebluff. Ooh, that's a cool Asmorel. Hoppip, Sneasel, Martini, Mankey, Yanma. Ooh, a Trainer Special Charge, and a Samurott. Okay.
Not too bad, pretty cool. The Trainer's not a horrible pull from Steam Sage. You know what, yeah, let's do Evolution. We'll do the last one. Hopefully it's got some good stuff in there. You never know. Let's see. Fingers crossed, fingers crossed.
You never know. Evolutions has honestly been my best ones. I love a Blastoise because everybody likes Blastoise. Most people like Charizard, but I really like Blastoise, and I'd be happy to get that. So we got an Energy, first one. Charizard, Spirit Link, Kakuna, Voltorb, Poliwag, Ghastly, Magnemite, Seal, ooh, a Pidgeot, Spirit Link, and an Arcanine. I have an original Arcanine somewhere in my old binder.
That's pretty cool, though. I'm alright with that. Not super thrilled, but I'll take it. Alright, Guardians Rising. What do you got for me? Please. Be good to me, Bewear. Look, what is up with
These Guardians Rising packs. I'm starting to think that maybe the Guardians Rising packs are a little bit weird. I mean, but who tampers with the Guardians Rising pack? I don't know. I guess it's possible. See, again, that is just so weird. Alright. Fingers crossed. Hala. Aloha Graveler. Conservation Area. Petatalo. Fletchling. Aloha Geodude. Barbaroach. Rockruff. Oh, look at that. Vulpix and a Tabulele GX. Look at that, actually. Wow, that is a beautiful card. Wow. Okay. Not too bad. Thank you very much. That is the end of the Bewear GX Box. Thank you for tuning in.